Hi everybody, this is Terry, your fearless leader, and today we're having the Let's Make It giveaway drawing, and I am very excited because we have some really great prizes this time, and I want to wish everybody good luck. And let's take a look at the prizes first. The prize that I'm providing is a hot and cold embossing kit. So you're going to get a heat gun for heat embossing and also for drying things and for embossing folders. And that'll be mailed to you. It's a physical prize. Then we have two junk journal kits, your choice, provided by Line Arrows. Line Arrow, excuse me, no S. And then provided by Haystack Creations is a $20 gift certificate. Provided by Two Sisters Jam is a $20 gift certificate. Provided by Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling is another gift certificate for $10. And provided by Nonstop Paper Crafts is 2 free junk journal kits of your choice. Now, when I said no particular order here, that's what I meant. I used the randomizer that we're going to use for the drawing to determine the order that we draw these in. So we're going to be drawing for the Haystack Creations prize first, then the Two Sisters Jam prize, then the Line Arrow prize, then the Nonstop Paper Crafts prize, and then the gift certificate from Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling as number 5, and then of course number 6, the physical prize from me, that will be drawing number 6. Now this is how I did the names. I used Excel and I just used it as a table. So we had 61 entries, and you will see a lot of them is Melinda McKim Davis. So she has a pretty good chance of winning something, I would say, since she's entered in there a lot. And then to do the drawing, we're going to use this random number generator. I don't use the round picker tool or spinning tool. I realized there are ads on this page, and so you can just ignore them. So we had, what did I say, 61? Yes, 61. Entries. Oops. Yeah, 1 to 61, one number at a time. Boy, I tell you. And the first prize we're going to draw for is the Haystacks Creation $20 gift certificate. The random number is number 1. I've never had number 1 come up before. So it's going to be Gail Davis, and she's going to win the Haystack Creations gift certificate. Look at my typing. Congratulations to Gail. Now the drawing number 2 is the gift certificate by Two Sisters Jam. Oops, looks like I accidentally clicked on one of their links. And so we're going to get the random number, and that random number is 46. And that's Mel Cogburn. Gift certificate. Congratulations to Mel Cogburn. Thank you for entering, Mel. Let me mark off on my list over here that I've actually written out the spins. Okay. Spin number 3 is for the Junk Journal Kits by Line Arrow. I cannot believe that Miss Davis has not won yet. Now it generated the same random number, so I'm not really sure about that. Let's do it again. There we go. Number 29. Number 29 is Melinda McKim Davis, and she wins the line dot arrow. Two junk journal kits. Okay, congratulations, Melinda. Then spin 4 is the 2 free junk journal kits by Nonstop Paper Crafts. Oh, I know why, because I clicked it down there. The random number is 57. 57 is Melinda, and she's already won, so let's do it again. This is where I think we're going to maybe run into some trouble. Excuse my snifflies. Yeah, C21 is Melinda. And the random number is number 1 again, which we know 1. I think I'm going to use a different randomizer next time. The random number is 13. And that's Melinda. We could be here for a while. 14 is probably Melinda as well. It is. Random numbers 52. And that's Melinda. The random number's 26. And that's Melinda as well. And the other one was Mel, and Mel had already won as well. Not that many people entered, but they entered a lot of times. 28 is also Melinda. 54 is Lorelei Hall. And she's going to win the Nonstop Paper Crafts. Two junk journal kits of her choice. Now remember, all these prizes, you have to claim them. So make sure to get a hold of me by messenger or email, and I'll put those up on the screen within the next 3 days. So I'm going to say the 19th at midnight, and then to claim your prize. If you don't get a hold of me by then the prize just goes away. It just goes away nowhere. So please be sure to claim your prizes. Spin number 5 is the gift certificate provided by Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling, and that's a $10 gift certificate. So let's go over here. 37, and that's Melinda. Oh, I did it again, didn't I? $38 is Michael Shane Clement. Oh, cool videos too. Everybody's entries were great, but I liked how he did his videos. I wonder if they were TikTok videos or something like that. Excuse me. So he won the gift certificate from Paper Lace and Bling. Gift certificate. Okay, so now the only prize that we have left is the hot and cold embossing kit. And let's do a random number for that. Random number is 18. And that's Piero Halges. I messed that up, I'm sure. We're going to go with Piero Halges. Never mind. We're not going to go with that. We're just going to go with the name. And that's going to be the hot and cold embossing kit. Okay. All right. Well, that's our drawing. And like I said, get a hold of me at Terry S. Lee on Facebook Messenger or Tree Free Publishing. No, that is so wrong. Sweet Pea Papers 2020 at gmail.com to claim your prize. And I will keep an eye out for you, and then I will send you instructions on how to get your prize from the prize donators. Let me show you them one more time. I want to make sure that you go to their YouTube channels and their shops. And mine don't look like they're live links, but they are. I don't know why they turned out in blue. But remember, we had Line Dot Arrow, Haystack Creations. I always say it backwards. I put the S on the wrong thing. Two Sisters Jam, Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling, and Nonstop Paper Crafts. They're really great people for donating these wonderful prizes, and so make sure to go back to the event. Click on the More link to see the rest of it. You can click on these even though the event has ended, and take a visit over there and check out their YouTube videos. They have some great tutorials, and check out their shops. They all have wonderful shops as well. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just 1 second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye. Congratulations to all the winners. Bye.